To connect your Motorola Moto G86 Power with a car, first of all, you will need to open a settings on your device, then make sure that you have any kind of internet connection, otherwise it may not work. So I'm activating a Wi-Fi right here, which should automatically connect with my network, and then we can move to the connected devices right here. Then go for connection preferences and click on Android Auto on the bottom. Now when you enter it, it may ask you to update this app, so it will open Google Play Store and then you will need to update your Android Auto app. And when you're done, click on Connect Vehicle, and then there's two options that you can try. First one is to use USB-C cable that allows you to connect your phone with your car, so you can try that if you like. If you want to go for a wireless version, then go for connect using wireless Android Auto and enter a pairing mode in your car. Then you will see your car right here and you'll be able to connect with it. And that is basically everything.